Good day mga bossing! Special edition tayo ng Kuya Bay TV. Andito tayo sa Dallas, Texas mga bossing. I have a half day to burn. Let's explore the city. Tara!
Yeah, and we're right on a trail that takes you to a lake.
Yeah, take your time. What's the name of the big guy?
This is Maple.
Hello Maple. Hello.
She's super friendly.
Hello.
We're on right here, and it takes you all the way to a lake. It's a paved trail the whole time.
Nice.
Having to fill out a waiver.
All right.
And then it's $25 an hour. If you want to start with 1 hour, you can.
Are those paved trails?
Yeah, it's a paved trail the whole time.
Sweet.
I'm gonna get you water.
What does it look like? I'm bossing it's a their own brand. Pedego. Nice.
And then let me get you checked out. You want to just start with 1 hour?
Yeah, for now, yeah. So how long is to the lake? How many kilometers?
It's about 4 miles.
4 miles?
I don't know if we'll move this outside.
All right.
That way I can close the door behind us. And I'm gonna get a bike too. And then we'll head out. Or you can twist the throttle that's right here.
Okay.
So it's one or the other as you're riding, pedals or throttle, and you can alternate back and forth between the two. I'm sorry. And then the screen by your left hand, this tells you how much electricity is flowing through it. So 0 is none. You change that number using the plus and minus buttons, and anywhere from 1 to 5, the pedals will push you when you move them. 1 is slow and 5 is fast.
Okay.
But
Copy.
the throttle can go slow or fast in any number. So even if you're in a 1, which is the slow setting for the pedals, this can still go fast. This goes by how far you twist it. So little twist is slow, big twist is fast.
Okay.
You just hold it in a twisted position to keep pushing you. And then when you don't want it to push you anymore, you stop pedaling or stop twisting. And then to slow down even more, you can get on your brakes.
I see. That was Paige. I'm here at Dallas, Texas again, and I went to Pedego. Rental bikes, they're e-bikes, so you saw it in the instruction already. So we're going to the lake. We're here at the trail to, it's a bike trail going to White Rock Lake. Galing tayo ng Pedego. Nag-explore lang tayo dito sa Dallas. Ang init mga bossing, sobrang init. We're here at Dallas, Texas, exploring this part of the city, and decided to rent a bike and explore a bit of the city. So I met Paige of Pedego, and she recommended this lake. And thank you, Paige and Pedego, for this opportunity and exploring a beautiful city. Looks like bamboo. Mainit pala talaga. But if you're riding a bike, hindi mafe-feel masyado yung init. So especially when you're going through shades like this. Oh, nice. This is Santa Fe Trail coming from Pedego, somewhere in downtown. We're going here. It's a White Rock Lake. Nice, great trail at specifically for cyclists and joggers. Put it forward. So this is nice. Sana ako naka-road bike. Natin kung ano laman ng Ha, may tubig. They even give you water. It's cold too. So there's a first aid kit, which is nice. Oh, it's a sealant, quick fix sealant inflator if you get a flat. So tubeless pala siya, and some mini tool. So it's good to have. White rock. It's nice. This is a White Rock Lake, mga bossing. It's a short ride from downtown Dallas, from Pedego e-bike rentals. Hello, I made it. So hot. Hello.
How'd it go?
Great. It's just way too hot though.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, you did good on timing. You don't
Am
have
I?
anything.
Oh, sweet.
And yeah, you can just leave the bike there. Just make sure you got all your stuff out of the little bag. And how do I find your blog? I was looking for it.
Okay. It's VHEY
VHEY.
Canaris TV.
This one?
Yeah, all of it.
Oh.
This is what the recent accident I had.
Are you okay?
I'm recovering.
Wow.
This is in the Highwood Pass in Kananaskis.
Oh wow.
I'm here at Pedego in Dallas, Texas. Then I just finished a short ride with that e-bike. Thanks to Page and Pedego, and thanks Axl, and then a shout out to Pedego, and they're very, very cool, very nice people, and the bikes are well built, so, and fast too. Fast. So I'm here at Dallas, Texas. See you on the next vlog. Bye.